Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about how can we delete data from database by using of eloquent. So let's get started. For that, first of all, let's call our class. It will be post, and in post we will say colon. Then we have to specify the row that we want to delete. So as usual, we can use find method. So in find method, we know that we have to pass a ID. So let's go to our database manager. Let's say I want to delete this. So let's say I want to delete this row, which ID is 70, right? So I will pass 70. Then I will chain a method which is delete method. Okay, that's all you need to do for deleting a single row. Let's say we add a diagram here. Success. Now if I go to my front end and then refresh, you can see the string. Now if I go to my database manager and refresh, you can see the last data has been deleted. I mean the 70 number data has been deleted. You can see we don't have any kind of ID 70, right? So that's how you can delete a data via eloquent. It's totally similar to other ways that we saw in our previous video, right? Instead of using DB, we are using our model. That's all. So now let's go to our front end again. If I refresh this page again, you can see we are getting a error now, right? By refreshing, we are running this query again, right? So now we are getting error that call to a member function delete on null. So why we are getting that? Because in query, what we are saying, grab a row which ID is 17 and delete it, right? Now our query is trying to find a model from database which ID is 70. But if we see at the database, there isn't any kind of row which ID is 70, right? So that's why our query is returning null, and we are trying to delete that null data, which doesn't make any sense. So how can we fix that? A simple fix of this could be call another method which is find or fail. We saw this method in our query builder video, if you recall. So what this method does, if it couldn't find the row that you are asking, like I am asking a row that which ID is 70, right? But if it couldn't find the row, it will throw us a 404 page. If I go to my browser and refresh, you can see the error is gone, but instead of error, we are getting a 404 page, right? This is more convenient because you can't show your user a error page. Instead of error page, we can show 404 page, right? So let's go to our code editor again. So instead of using find or fail, we can use also where method in here, right? Let's say I will delete via ID. So take that ID column and mention the ID name. Let's say 63. Put the value 63, and rest of the query will be same. Now if I go to my front end and refresh, you can see we're getting the success string. Now if I go to my DB manager, refresh, you can see 63 number row has been deleted. So that's how you can use delete method to delete your data from the database easily. So that's it for this video. See you at the next one.